Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Does Bask Bank accept mobile check deposits? Now, before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at Bask Bank itself. It's a relatively new bank that's been gaining a lot of attention lately. One of the things that sets it apart is its focus on helping people save money. They offer high-interest savings accounts and a variety of other features that can help you reach your financial goals. So, back to the question at hand, does Bask Bank accept mobile check deposits? The answer is yes. In fact, they have a mobile check deposit feature that's easy to use and can save you a lot of time and effort. Here's how it works. Download the Bask Bank app to your smartphone or tablet. Sign into your account. Tap on the mobile deposit button. Take a picture of the front and back of your check. Enter the amount of the check and the date. Submit your deposit. That's it. Your check will be processed and deposited into your account. There are a few things to keep in mind when using mobile check deposit. Make sure that your check is endorsed correctly. Take clear pictures of the front and back of your check. Make sure that your check is not damaged or torn. If you follow these tips, you should have no problem using mobile check deposit with Bask Bank. So, there you have it. Bask Bank does accept mobile check deposits. This is a great feature that can make it easier for you to manage your finances. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Bask Bank or mobile check deposit, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.